There are three methods to take a screenshot on your computer. Firstly, you can take a screenshot of the entire screen. Secondly, you can take a screenshot of a specific app. And thirdly, you want to take a screenshot of a particular snippet of the screen. In method 1, we will learn how to take a screenshot of the entire screen. To take the screenshot of your entire screen, click on the print screen button. Your screenshot will be captured. Open Paint and paste your screenshot using Ctrl V option. You have to manually save it, so go to File and click on the Save option. Provide your screenshot name and your screenshot will be saved on your system. To save your screenshot automatically, click on Print Screen with the Windows button. Your screen will be blurred for a fraction of a second. It means your screenshot is captured, and your screenshot will be saved in the screenshot folder under the pictures folder. Now you can open your screenshot in any application and view it. In method 2, we will learn how to take a screenshot of a specific application. Now I don't want to take a screenshot of the entire screen. All I want to do is take a screenshot of the Task Manager application. So I will go to the Task Manager and I will click on the Task Manager window. Then I will click on Alt plus Print Screen. It will take a screenshot of Task Manager application only. Go to Paint and paste your screenshot again using Ctrl V option, and you can see your Task Manager window will be saved. In method 3, we will see how to take a screenshot of a particular snippet on the screen. Now I want to take a screenshot of the CPU graph present in the Task Manager. To take the screenshot of the CPU graph, I will click Windows Shift S option. It will blur the screen, and then I can use my mouse to capture a particular part of the screen. In my case, it is the CPU graph. Once my screenshot is captured, I can again open the Paint and I can paste my screenshot using the Ctrl V option, and I can save my screenshot on my system. Here is a quick summary of all the three methods we have just learned.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.